found this pond on the maps while I was scouting a new area, and I didn't really have high hopes for it, but after going out there and checking it out, it turned out to be a pretty good spot.
Oh yeah. First fish in a new pond. Oh, big snapping turtle, look at that. Little baby. Gonna be a stud one day. Had to get that second set just in case. He wasn't coming off. Bro, this is the same fish. Same exact fish. Twice in a row on back-to-back casts. That's crazy. That's a solid 2-pounder right there. Just shy of 2. 1 3/4.